Good, bright, and beautiful Thursday to everyone. Welcome to Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. It's a gorgeous Thursday. We had a gorgeous Wednesday, and we'll have some showers around on Friday, but a relatively nice weekend before things change. But let's focus on today. It's going to be gorgeous. It's the 16th of April, 2015. Looking around the region this morning, we have generally clear skies, a few high clouds across the region. The winds are light or out of the northeast as high pressure is cresting over the top of us. Some chilly temperatures too. Temperatures generally running in the upper 30s across interior sections of Connecticut this morning. Temperatures already in the low upper 40s and lower 50s right around the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. A few upper 40s and 30s too out on eastern Long Island. Temperatures over interior northeastern and central southeastern Pennsylvania are generally running anywhere from around the 40s to around 52 in Philadelphia. Gorgeous, gorgeous morning. And the only watches, warnings, and advisories we have is a flood warning, which continues on the Connecticut River at Hartford until Saturday evening or until the warning is canceled. As of late last night, the flood stage was at 15.6 feet. Flood stage is at 16 feet. Minor flooding is forecast, and it's expected to rise above the flood stage after midnight tonight and then continue to rise to near 17 feet by this afternoon. The river then will fall below flood stage by Saturday afternoon. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows our high pressure ridging all the way down through the southeastern United States with a light northeasterly flow and lots of clear skies here over the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. A couple of disturbances out here in the Ohio and Tennessee and Mississippi River Valley will be approaching our region with an onshore flow later tonight into early tomorrow morning for some rain showers around the region. But today, absolutely gorgeous. Morning pass of the visible satellite this morning shows some mid and upper level cirrus clouds around the region. Most of the skies are not completely cloudy, although the ceilometers at the airports are reporting them as cloudy. But basically there's a lot of filtered sunshine underneath this cloud cover. A little bit of lifting too. Most of this lifting will be exiting this morning, and we're just going to enjoy an absolutely fantastic day, albeit with an increase of cloud cover from the onshore flow, and most of this moisture will not get in here until later tonight. And once again, if you're suffering from allergies today, the pollen's going to be on the high side from maple, juniper, and alder. It will continue to be on the high side Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as spring continues to blossom. On the aviation weather deck today, VFR conditions, just some high clouds forecasted for today. The north to northeast wind at around 10 knots this morning, veer eventually to the east and then southeast this afternoon. Speeds to near 10 knots at times. Speeds may reach 10 to 15 knots from the south-southeast at Wilmington due to the funneling effect of the Delaware Bay. Expecting clouds to increase and lower for tonight with mainly VFR conditions. Some light rain showers forecast to spread over the region from the west. After midnight tonight, conditions then be lower to MVFR around Reading and Allentown by tomorrow morning, and the wind is anticipated to favor a south direction for tonight. MVFR conditions at times for tomorrow with some showers, especially from Philadelphia on north and west. Otherwise, VFR outside of that. Saturday and Sunday overall VFR with a dry, cold frontal passage during the day on Saturday. The clouds should increase Sunday and then lower to MVFR Sunday night with the arrival of the next storm system just for the beginning of next week. Monday, MVFR and IFR with periods of rain. But we're not going to focus on that right now. It's delightful, 52 at Newark, dew point 25, humidity 35%. The wind is northeast at 3. Overcast conditions at 25,000 feet, but filtered sunshine underneath that. Just a nice day. Basically VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia, same kind of story. 52, dew point 27, humidity 38%. The wind is northeast at 8. A few clouds at 20, 25,000, and 30,000 broken, and that means there's sunshine filtering in underneath with VFR conditions. And the GFS maps into motion, high pressure in place, the winds veering off to the east-southeast today, moisture increases from off the ocean and then again from just to the southwest of us with some light rain showers moving through on Friday morning. And not everybody's going to see them, so there could be some areas that miss out on the showers anyway. Less than a quarter of an inch is expected with that, and then that moves off the coast. More high pressure builds in for Friday night. And Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be delightful. Saturday is going to be warm, temperatures upper 60s, lower 70s, a little cooler on Sunday as the high crest over the forecast region, and then a storm system and a series of disturbances move in our direction for the early part of the week. We could get moderate to heavy rain, around an inch or two is possible during the morning commute on Monday into Monday afternoon and Monday evening before that system rolls off the coast with a cold frontal passage following that. And then generally dry weather for Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and Wednesday. And then just a couple of more disturbances moving through the flow here. Could get some light rain chances around here again later Wednesday, Wednesday night, or early Thursday before that begins to dry out. And another system approaching for later in the week with a cold frontal passage means that next weekend could start off on the wet side as well. Temperature-wise, we're going to be near seasonal throughout the forecast period. So for everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic day, and we'll be back in video form on Friday.